would you love to feel more comfortable with yourself and more accepting of who you are? Our Source Sound program for self-acceptance offers a personalized audio resonance and simple exercises to support you in moving into a new relationship with yourself. Our remarkable C-wave sounds carry a resonance energy field that is designed to support our well-being, our natural self-healing, our personal growth, and ultimately our inner awakening, which is at the core of this approach. The Source Sound for Self-Acceptance program can be used to support your journey to a deeper knowing of yourself and acceptance and love for yourself and for others. So this approach was discovered by Peter Chappell. He was working as a homeopath in Africa, in Ethiopia. He discovered this way to support self-healing, well-being, and inner growth. And these resonances have been evolved since then and are now held by Source Medicine to carry this work forwards. As one practitioner has described it, by listening to the resonances, we are asking the body to receive a potentiality for a new way of being. Self-acceptance, the basis of loving oneself, of allowing oneself to be fully embodying who we are. And one could say that the extent to which we're able to accept ourselves is then mirrored in how we are able to be loving and compassionate and accepting of others and caring for others in the world. So self-acceptance is a crucial part in the whole dynamic of interrelationship and how we inhabit the world, both individually and collectively. Our audio resonance, SR Enhancing Self-Acceptance, resolving all impediments to self-acceptance, is designed to support our journeys, our individual journeys of knowing ourselves more deeply, of acknowledging and seeing ourselves more clearly, accepting how we are, valuing who we are, and through this process, then enabling us to step forward more fully into how we would truly love to be. I hope this video has been helpful to you. See the links below to find out more, donate to support our work, or to buy a Source Sound program. And do like and subscribe to the Source Sound channel. Thank you.